guys, today we're making Indian style sausages or keema kebabs, so let's get started. You will need chicken mince. If you want to know how to make homemade chicken mince at home, there's a link of that video in the description. You will need half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 chopped onions, half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of spring onions or chives, half a cup of mint leaves, homemade masala or regular masala 3 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin seeds or zira seeds, crushed red chilies 1 tablespoon and salt to taste. Chopped green chilies to taste, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and 3 eggs. Now this is very simple to make. All you need to do is mix all the ingredients together in one bowl. Now with square pieces of tin foil, you're going to place 2 tablespoons of your mixture and then roll up your tin foil and roll the end so it's sealed shut. After that, boil a pot of water and put in your keema kebabs into the boiling pot of water and let them cook. Once they have finished boiling, they should be fully cooked through and you can take them out. Once they're lukewarm, then take off the tin foil. Make sure they are lukewarm. Next, heat some oil in a pan and then fry them so they are nice golden brown colour. So our keema kebab or Indian style sausages are done. They look absolutely delicious and they are delicious to eat. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.